part of the
May gusto kayong panawagan, sir? Sa mga tao, may gusto pa kayong panawagan?
The international community. Okay, wait, teka lang. The international community, the Philippine government, the Filipino people has always removed corrupt officials through peaceful protests. Hindi tayo gagaya sa Nepal, hindi tayo gagaya sa mga nangyayari sa ibang bansa. We will do this peacefully. We will get Marcos to resign peacefully, and this is just the first step. Every day from now on, we will be protesting at various subdivisions, yung mga pinakamayamang subdivision kung saan nakatira yung mga congressman, para makita nila na just as the ordinary people, the poor people are afraid to lose their houses during typhoons and earthquakes, ngayon, sila naman yung makakaramdam ng feeling na yung kalaban nila, yung mga naghahanap ng hostisya ay nasa labas na ng mga.
Pero hindi ba kayo natatakot? Baka balikan kayo ng gobyerno.
Alright mga kababayan, mainit na balita, kasing init ng pandesal natin mga kababayan tong umaga na to. Ito po si Congressman Kiko Barzag. Pakinggan po natin yung payag niya kagabi kasi nagkaroon po ng rally dun sa Forbes Park at sa iba't ibang bahagi ng Manila, lalo na dun sa EDSA Shrine kung saan lagi ginaganap ang mga rally mga kababayan. Dahil nga po ayaw na nila at di na nila kayang sikmurahin yung pamamahala ni BBM na gusto na lang palitan yung kanilang administrasyon mga kababayan. Ay nako po mga kababayan, wag na ho natin patagalin pa. Baka naman po naglalambing lang dyan, huwag niyong kalimutan i-share, like at subscribe ang ating mga videos para nang sa ganon napapanood ito ng ating mga kababayan dito sa Pilipinas at sa iba't ibang panig ng mundo. Maraming salamat po mga kababayan. Let's go!
Okay lang yun, lahat man tayo mamamatay.
So you mentioned that this is just the first step. After today, what's next?
Kabukas, mag-rally.
Ingay ng mga kababayan natin.
Sir, are we expecting na haharapin talaga kayo? Anybody from the PO or the Romualdez dito?
Hindi ko alam. Kasi si John Vic nandito din eh. Di ba may mga police siya? Mga 2,000, 3,000 police mobilized sa Forbes Park. Pero hindi pa siya lumalabas. I've heard that na may headquarters sila doon sa loob, may temporary headquarters sila, pero hindi pa siya lumalabas. If John Vic's watching this, I hope he comes out and talks.
Sir, dati kinampanya niyo si BBM, tama? So ngayon, nagsisisi ba kayo na kinampanya niyo siya?
Hindi naman, kasi yung pag kinumpara mo yung mga speech ni BBM noong 2022 at noong 2025, then they're very different people. Kasi pag nakita mo yung mga pinagsasabi ni BBM ngayon, it's very chaotic, very unsure. Pero noong 2022, at that time, no one could have blamed anyone for believing in him because he actually had a vision of unity and a vision of hope for our future. Now, sobrang dami nang nawala ng tiwala sa kanya, and I think it's time for him to resign.
Sa tingin niyo, sir, bakit nagkaganito? Yung pamumuno?
Hindi natin alam. Maybe he just prioritized his own interests and his own family's interests over the interests of the people. Maybe he was a good person back then, pero masyado siyang natakot na baka mapatalsik siya ulit. So he tried to collect all the resources for himself so that he will always have power. Hindi natin alam. I can't speak for BBM or BBM's behalf, but for Marcos, I just hope he starts to understand what the people feel about.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Sir, another one from me. You're a government official,
Yes.
and apparently you're protesting against the highest executive. Have you given a heads up to other government officials regarding your protest today?
Well, firstly, I'm not the only government official that is protesting. There are plenty of other protesters from different sides of the government. From the Senate, we have people who joined the Peso March, and from Congress as well. So we have different methods, but at the end of the day, what we want is to just get the money of the people back and to imprison those who was.
Ayan mga kababayan, sinisigaw ng ating mga kababayan na ibalik nyo na yung pera nila, pera namin, yung pinaghirapan namin, mga anak ng tokwa kayo. Biruin nyo, mantakin ninyo, bilyon ang mga ninakaw ninyo. Maraming magagawa ito. Isa na itong magandang eskwelahan, magandang hospital, mga benefits namin. Sana kung nilaan nyo to ng tama, mapupunta na libreng hospital namin, o kaya may allowance na lang din kami. Magandang Lalo na ngayon, mga nangyayaring sakuna, meron kaming pambili ng pagkain, bibigyan nyo kami ng ayuda kung doon sana nilagay. Kaso wala, nilagay lahat sa lustay, mga sakyan, kasino. Ay. Naknang toko ang garapata. Napakasarap talaga na buhay politiko dito, no? Samantalang tayo, tatrabaho tayo ng patas. Mga iba dyan, nagko-construction lang sa labas. Kahit na mainit, talagang pinipilit pa rin nila magtrabaho. Kasi nga, para sapat lang yung kita nila. Sila lang yung kumikita. Yung mga anak nila, hindi naman pwede magbantay yung nanay dahil binalagaan yung mga anak. Hirap talaga ng buhay dito sa Pilipinas, guys. So, dapat talaga the best way para makaraos tayo dito sa paghihirap dito is matanggal yung mga kawatan, yung mga buhaya.
I mean yung force ng other government officials or yung namumukong samahan or grupo against the highest executive po na nagpo-protesta.
Well, grows every day. We are growing, and that's what's important. And hopefully, once they see the potential damage corruption is causing our country, our numbers will grow even more.
Sir, last na for me, the president might be sleeping right now or hindi natin lang kung ano yung ginagawa niya, but you're here outside protesting. Anything you want to say from him to him? Any words, sir, any words?
Meow meow, start listening to the people, or maybe you won't have the opportunity
Galing tong
anymore.
batang to, guys.
If it's too late. Kasi at the end of the day, you're brought to that position by the people, and once you start considering your family
Pwedeng maging
above the
vice
family of
president
others,
ito ni Sara.
then the people will do the same. They'll start considering the interests of their own families over your family. Okay? Because the people believed in you, and there are still some who do. The question here is now, should they continue believing in you? Could you give a reason for the people to continue believing in you? Kasi we believed in you, all of us did. We all thought you would make things better, but things are not better. Our economy is collapsing. The peso is rapidly deteriorating. Our stock market also crashed.
O, ayan po mga kababayan, ha. Itong si Kiko, wag nating kakalimutan. Ano kaya kung pwede na maging vice-presidente to ni Sara Duterte, no, sa susunod na eleksyon? Pwede to, solid. Hindi ko lang alam kung i-allow nila yan dahil nga batang-bata pa to si Kong Kiko. Di bale, pwede na to maging senator in the future and maybe in 2 years time, or magaling kang bata ka, pagpatuloy mo lang yan, sir. Napakabuti mo, pinaglalaban mo yung buong Pilipinas. At saka kaming mga mahirap, nandyan ka, hindi ka tumitigil. Napakabuti mo, Congressman Kiko. Napakaswerte na ng mga bumoto sa'yo dahil sulit po. Hindi ka tulad ng iba dyan, tahimik lang. Ng tokwa. Tahimik lang, nagsisip-sip sa mga house speaker para lang magkaroon ng kickback. Grabe, garapalan.
Also, investors are losing confidence in our government, and there might also be mass resignations soon in the reserves, military, due to loss of confidence from the government. So, it's all Marcos's choice.
Last na sir, ba't yung ginagawa to sir? Bakit yung ginagawa?
Why are you here?
Wala ko itong magawa na eh. Bored lang, imbis na maglaro ako, mag-games na ako sa bahay or mga
Ginagawa ito para kasama kayo sa galaw na to.
At least I am doing something productive, and this is all part of my role as a public official. Kailangan talaga natin labanan ng corruption, and if I cannot fight from within Congress due to the lack of numbers, then here where I do have numbers is where I will fight.
Sir, do you have any calls to your fellow Filipino citizens regarding yung ginagawa ninyo po ngayon? Do you want them to do the same thing?
Yes, of course. They are doing the same thing, and they will be doing the same thing. There will be more and more effort towards corruption as long as no one is in prison, no money is returned to our government. Yung kay Ping Lacson, di ba yung sabi niya?
Magaling tong bata to, mga kababayan, dahil nga po dun sa sinabi niya, instead na nasa bahay na lang siya, naglalaro ng mga video games. Ito, ang ginawa pa niya, nag-organize pa ng peaceful and protest rally para ito nga pabagsakin itong si BBM tsaka yung mga kanyang kawatan. Tignan mo itong congressman na to, ay sulit yung mga boto, di ba? Hindi po katulad yan ng iba dito. Mga congressman dito, wala namang ginawa, kundi nakaupo lang, nagluluklok. Niluklok ka, pero wala ka namang ginagawa. Saka pagtapos na yung election, pero nung walang election, panay naman ang gamit ninyo. Ay. Yan na po, mga kababayan.
ang meriton. We do not want we want the trillion stolen back. Okay, hindi lang yung this year, for last year. The whole Marcos administration, ever since Romualdez took office and became Speaker of the House, doon nag-umpisa lahat. Madami na tayong nakita dun from the 2024 budget and also the very corrupt 2026 budget. As we can see from the recent debates,
Yan yung mga
I personally
kababayan natin.
interpret the PCO budget ay natin 2.6 billion sa nagagawin yan. And then, well, please, as we've also seen, the minority is also against the budget plan. There are plenty of congressmen that are starting to become outspoken as to the corruption of the 2026 budget. So yun, pag kinayari manakahon ulit tayo, then will be in the same place next year. That's what I don't want to happen. That's why gusto ko next year, doon ako nasa bahay lang, maglalaro lang, or papahinga lang, or nag-update ng mga epochs. I just want to have a happy life and I prefer not to be protesting next year again. So hopefully the administration starts fixing it. Because for the past few months, we have not seen anything. Things got worse.
Oh, mga kababayan, ayan po yung pahayag ni Congressman Kiko Barzaga. Dun nga po, napakagaling na congressman to, napakatapang. Lahat na lang ginagawa niya sa atin, mga kababayan. So, sobrang paghanga ko sa iyo, Congressman, maraming salamat ko. 100% po ako sa iyo. Talagang napakagaling mo, napakatapang mo. Sinasakripisyo mo yung buhay mo para lang dito sa bansa natin. Kaya maraming salamat po mga kababayan. Huwag po natin kalimutan i-share, like, subscribe ang mga videos na to. At nang sa ganun, napapanood ito ng ating mga kababayan dito at sa iba't ibang bahagi ng mundo. Maraming salamat po. News That Matters. God bless.